नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। और फ्रेंड्स, 15 अगस्त बीत गया और जैसा कि एक्सपेक्टेड था या हम लोग सोशल मीडिया पे सुनते थे कि 5 डे बैंकिंग 15 अगस्त से डिक्लेयर हो जाएगा, लेकिन ऐसा भी कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। एक बिजनेस मैगजीन के अनुसार दिसंबर में सी बैंक्स स्विच टू 5 बैंक वर्क वीक। Government talking to industry and bank managements to address their concerns। ये खबर आ रही है in what could bring cheers to over 1.5 million bank employees ahead of the 2024 elections. The center will likely approve 5-day working week for them by December. Currently, both public sector and private sector banks work on the first and third Saturday of a month. After approval of the proposed change, the government will notify all Saturday as holiday under Section 25 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. After prolonged negotiations between the apex body Indian Bank Association and employees unions, the IBA approved their proposal last month to make all Saturday a holiday for bank staff. The IBA has sent the proposal to the Finance Ministry for its consideration. The government is mostly positive about the proposal. A person aware of the matter told Financial Paper, adding that talks are on with bank management, including private banks and industry bodies like FICCI and CII, to address their concern. While some bank management have raised concern about the impact on their businesses and productivity, the trade and industry also fear the business and the credit flow might be impacted. According to latest data available, there are 1.54 million employees equally split between public sector and the bank private sector, and including payment banks and small finance bank. Separately, there are about 95,000 employees in RRB and another 96,000 in the cooperative banks across the country. It is likely that the 5-day week norms will be made applicable to the RRBs too. All these banks may have to take some step to ensure that the increased number of holidays doesn't impact the banking operation in the country. As part of the agreement for a 5-day working week, the working hours for banks could be increased by 45 minutes per day to offset any loss to work. Despite loss of 2 working days in the month, what could add the banking industry is the fact that India's leapfrog, a digital banking, has shifted most transactions such as cash transfer and payments to the mobile and internet banking apps. Cash withdrawals and despite can now be via the ATMs. Currently, government offices work 5-day week. Life Insurance Corporation of India also work 5-day week for its employee. 2 बातें इंपॉर्टेंट। पहला कि IBA और EPO इस बात पे एग्री हैं और अप्रूव्ड हो गया कि हम 5-day बैंकिंग बैंकों में इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे, और इन lieu of that they have increased the working hours of clerical cadre as well as officers. IBA कभी भी कोई भी अप्रूवल जब तक DFS का ग्रीन सिग्नल नहीं होता है नहीं करती है। इट मीन्स गवर्नमेंट इज इन फेवर फॉर द 5-day week। दूसरा, जब सारी बातें तय हो गई यानी सेटल हो गई, देन of course it is not a role of there is a Indian Industry of Commerce or the Indian FICCI. Government has to take the bold step to implement 5-day week at any cost in the in the banks, either public sector or private sector or cooperative banks. So friends, whether we have to wait for December or government will approve the same earlier, we have to wait and watch. There is no concrete reply from the UFBU or IBA, but we hope that it will be done very early. Thank you friends. Namaskar.